I'm throwing together a little vegetable fried rice to have with some pork tonight. First off, in a nonstick skillet, I've got a little bit of olive oil and some sliced carrots. Next, I'm adding the aromatics. So I've just put in 2 cloves of minced garlic, a knob of minced ginger, and about 3 green onions chopped up. I'm going to stir those around for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I've added 3 heads of chopped baby bok choy and about 4 or 5 shiitake mushrooms that I had left over in the fridge. And that will cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. I'll throw some salt and pepper on as well. Now I've moved the vegetables to one side of the pan, and I am going to add in 1 lightly beaten egg. Ooh, that's real cooking. And then I'm going to stir it all together until the egg is set. Trying to do this one-handed. While the vegetables have been cooking, I put 1 cup of water, a pinch of salt, and a half a cup of jasmine rice into a saucepan. And now that the water started to boil, I'm going to turn it down to low and cover it for about 14 minutes. I found some more leftover vegetables in the fridge, so I just threw in some already cooked broccoli, red pepper, and Brussels sprouts. But this is not necessary. It was just extra stuff I had laying around. So now the rice is finished, and I took the same pan I had the vegetables in, heated it up, added some olive oil. I put the rice in the pan. I'm going to leave it undisturbed for 3 to 4 minutes so it crisps up. Then I'm going to add the vegetables back in the pan. Last step, I added the vegetables back into the pan of rice, salt and pepper, and a couple tablespoons of coconut aminos. And I'll show you a picture of the final product.